He tryna 69 like Takashi, call him Papi, worth the ASAP, keep me rocky. I'm from New York, so I'm cocky. Say he fucking with my posse, caught me Chloe like Kardashian. Keep this pussy in Versace, said I'm pretty like Tanashi.
Hi everybody, welcome back or to my channel. My name is April for those of you guys that are new to my channel, and if you guys are just a returning subscriber, thank you guys for coming back. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't already and become part of my YouTube family. So as you guys can tell from the title, today I will be putting a palette to the test that I got from a company called Beauty Big Bang. I have used some of their products before and I really enjoyed them and I still use them. So now one of the products that I did receive is an 18 shade full function eyeshadow palette, and this is what it looks like. It is called We Care Your Favors Focalier. I think that's how you say it. I mean, the packaging is very sleek and the little rose gold is very pretty. And on the back it has the shades that it has inside and the name of the palette, because there are two different color palettes with different shades in them. This one is the second one and it is called Neutrals. So on the back it just has a little bit of a description and it says that it is good for 24 months and it is 0.02 ounces and 0.5 grams. Like I said, the packaging is very pretty. On the sides of the palette it is rose gold as well, and when you open it, it does not have a mirror, but I mean I have mirrors everywhere and in a lot of my other palettes, so it doesn't really bother me. And these are what the shades look like. They are very neutral colored shades and there are some shimmer and some mattes. So there are 10 shimmer shades and 8 matte shades. And another product that I will be testing as well is a 4-piece brush set from their company. And this is what they look like. It is a white handle and the brushes are dirty because I did use them, but this is what comes in the set. So with that being said, I am going to jump into the swatches and then I will be showing you guys how I got this eye look using this palette. And I will tell you guys at the end what I thought about it. So if you guys want to see that, then just keep on watching. So this is the first row of shades. The middle two are kind of a little bit light, but they look like great shades for setting your eyelids. Now this is the middle row of shades. Those shimmers are pretty vibrant. So now this is the last row of shades. These are a lot more darker and pigmented, and the shimmers are very pretty as well. Okay, so now that I have showed you guys the swatches of this palette, let's just jump right into this tutorial, and I will leave everything linked down in my description box below. That way you guys can check out these products as well as my discount code down below. So if you guys want to see how I got this look using this very affordable palette, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing that I am going to do as always is just prime my eyes, and I really love to use my Catrice Cosmetics Camouflage Concealer like always. So I am just going to prime my eyes. And then I am just going to set it with some Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. This is just to make the shadows blend very easily. So now that I have a very smooth base, I'm going to go in with the eyeshadows. So the first shade that I am going to pick up is Treasure, which is this shade right here. And I am just going to pick it up on the fluffy brush. These brushes don't really have names, so I am going to use this shade as the transition shade and just place that all along my crease and right above my crease. These brushes are very, very soft, so I mean that's a good thing. The only thing is that the bristles are kind of a little bit long and hard to control, but I mean, these are very good for blending. Okay, so the next shade that I am going to go in with is this shade right here, which is called Coral Pink, and I am going to use the more pointed brush that comes in the set, and I am just going to place this shade into my crease. And on the outer half portion of my eyelid as well. This brush is a really good brush to get right into the crease. And now I'm just going to pick up another fluffy brush from the set, and I am going to pick up a little bit more of the Coral Pink and place it on the outer half portion of my eyelid. Since the other brush is too pointy, it'll be easier just picking up this brush and going in and getting that color all over that half portion. And I'm just making sure that everything is blended. As you guys can see, these colors are pretty pigmented and they are very easy to work with and blend out. So now I'm going to go in with the first brush that I had used to put Treasure, and I am just going to blend everything out. Okay, so that is what I have so far. Now I'm going to go in with this shade called Teddy. And on another fluffy brush, I am just going to pick up that shade and place that on the outer half portion of my eye on top of the other shade, just to really deepen that color. And then I'm going to slowly drag it into the inner half portion of my crease. And then once again, go in with the first brush and just blend everything out. So once that is done, I'm going to go in with the flat C brush from e.l.f. And I am just going to pick up this shade, which is called Smoky Topaz. And without spraying the brush, I'm going to place that on the inner half portion of my eye, just so you guys can see how it goes on dry. And as you guys can see, it does not go on very, very intense. But I am going to pick some more up and spray it with my Mario Badescu facial spray, just so you guys can see how it intensifies it. As you guys can see now, the color is very, very much more pigmented. And I am just going to pack this on the inner half portion of my eye. So once that is done, I'm going to go in with a little bit more of Teddy and blend out that center, so that way there is no harsh line and the colors fade into each other very smoothly. So once that is done, I'm going to pick up the first brush that I had used without picking up any product, and I am just going to make sure the edges are very well blended. So now that I have that down, for my under the eyebrow highlight, I am just going to go in with this shade, which is like a off-white shade. It is a matte shade. It's called Cosmetic Latte. And I'm going to place that underneath my eyebrow. So now that that is done, for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to use this shade right here, which is called Crystal. And without spraying it, I am just placing that on the inner corner of my eye. So now that I have my eyes done, I am going to conceal underneath my eye using my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. And then to set it, I'm going to use my Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder and just buff that into the skin. And then now to smoke out my lower lash line, I am going to use Coral Pink. And then Teddy. And I am just going to place Teddy on the outer half portion. And then now I am going to do my winged eyeliner, put on some lashes, and finish off the rest of my face, and then I will be right back. So this is the end result. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Just the shades and tones in this palette and the look that I created, it is very fall appropriate, and since fall is coming up, I just thought that it was perfect. And the way that these eyeshadows blended out, I mean, they did a great job, and I didn't have any fallout on my face. There was a little bit of kickback in the palette, but not so much where it was just dusting all over the place. This palette is very affordable. It is only $9.99 on beautybigbang.com, and the 4-piece brush set is $4.99. But you can get these products even cheaper using my discount code, which is AIX10, and you guys can just save some money. I don't earn any commission. That's just so you guys can save some money. So don't forget to use that discount code if you do decide to purchase any of these products. So if you guys are looking for affordable beauty products, you guys should definitely check them out. I will leave everything linked down in my description box below, so head on over, check them out, and use my discount code if you guys do decide to purchase anything. And let me know what you guys think if you guys try these products. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that little notification bell so that way you guys can be notified whenever I do upload. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, I'll see you guys in my next video.